Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Head Speed Junior Tennis Racket. Meet the Head Speed Junior Tennis Racket, 25-inch, a lightweight, beginner-friendly racket designed for young players who want to learn tennis with control and confidence. At just $23.84, this racket offers excellent value for beginners. You're getting a trusted brand like Head at a very budget-friendly price, perfect for kids starting tennis training. 25-inch junior size, ideal for youth and beginners. Aluminum frame and shaft, durable yet lightweight for easy swings. 8.5-ounce weight, helps reduce arm fatigue and improves control. 3 7/8-inch grip size, comfortable hold for younger hands. Beginner-focused design, easier power generation and ball control. Head brand quality, known for reliable tennis equipment. Great for training, school sports, and casual play. Pros. Very affordable price for beginners. Lightweight and easy to handle. Durable aluminum build. Good control for learning basics. Cons. Not suitable for advanced or competitive players. Limited power compared to graphite rackets. Basic design with fewer performance features. Number 4. Head T. Conquest Tennis Racket. Meet the Head T. Conquest Tennis Racket, a beginner-friendly, oversized racket built with nano-titanium technology for easier power and control. Priced at just $25.88, this racket delivers great value for beginners and casual players who want a trusted head performance racket without spending much. Nano-titanium technology adds strength and stability to the frame. Oversized head design, larger sweet spot for easier ball contact. Lightweight O-beam construction, improves swing speed and comfort. Pre-strung setup, ready to play right out of the box. 4 1/4-inch grip size, comfortable for adult beginners. Lightweight at 9.7 ounces, reduces arm strain during long play. Designed for recreational and beginner-level tennis players. Pros. Large sweet spot makes it very forgiving. Lightweight and easy to swing. Good for learning basics and improving consistency. Affordable entry-level price. Cons. Not suitable for advanced or competitive players. Limited spin and power control compared to higher-end rackets. Aluminum/titanium build feels basic for serious players. Number 3. Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. Meet the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, a beginner-friendly racket designed for easy power, comfort, and casual court performance. At around $37.50, this racket offers solid value for recreational players who want a trusted Wilson brand without paying premium prices. Oversized head design, bigger sweet spot for easier hitting. Power frame technology, helps generate more power with less effort. Stop shock pads, reduces vibration for more comfort on impact. Lightweight aluminum construction, easy to swing and control. Carbon fiber shaft, adds extra stability and durability. 4 1/4-inch grip size, comfortable fit for most adult beginners. Pre-strung and ready to play out of the box. Pros. Very forgiving oversized sweet spot. Comfortable vibration control for smoother play. Easy power generation for beginners. Good build quality for the price. Cons. Not designed for advanced or competitive play. Limited precision and spin control. Heavier feel compared to higher-end performance rackets. Number 2. Head TS6 Tennis Racket. Meet the Head TS6 Tennis Racket, an ultralight, powerful adult racket designed for easy swings, control, and improved performance on the court. Priced at around $99, this racket sits in the mid-range category, offering excellent value for players upgrading from beginner to intermediate level with a trusted head build. Graphite plus titanium frame, strong yet extremely lightweight. Ultralight design, 300G, allows fast swing speed and less fatigue. Head-heavy balance, adds extra power to every shot. Oversized 27.75-inch length, increased reach and control. Pre-strung setup, ready to use right away. Large sweet spot, more forgiving on off-center hits. Ideal for recreational to intermediate players. Pros. Very lightweight and easy to handle. Powerful head-heavy design. Large sweet spot improves consistency. Great for beginners moving into intermediate level. Cons. Not ideal for advanced competitive players. Less control compared to heavier performance rackets. Oversized feel may reduce precision for skilled players. Number 1. Senston Tennis Rackets 27-inch 2-player set. Meet the Senston Tennis Rackets 27-inch adult set, a complete beginner-friendly tennis kit built for 2 players, perfect for casual games and practice. At around $59.99, this set offers strong value because you're not just getting rackets, you're getting a full starter pack with balls and accessories included. 27-inch full-size rackets, suitable for adult beginners. Complete 2-player set, includes 2 rackets for instant play. Comes with 3 tennis balls, ready for practice or matches. Includes 2 grips plus 2 vibration dampers, improved comfort and control. Aluminum frame with carbon composite shaft, lightweight yet durable. Designed for beginner level and recreational play. Good balance of power and easy handling. Pros. Full package, great for beginners. Comfortable grip and reduced vibration. Lightweight and easy to swing. Good value for 2-player setup. Cons. Not suitable for advanced or competitive players. Build quality is basic compared to premium rackets. Balls and accessories are entry-level quality. If you're starting tennis with a friend or family member, this is a great budget-friendly kit to begin with. Check the link in the description for the best price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tennis gear reviews.